What's going on, you lovely fishing goon squad? We are back at it again on the side. Actually, this is really on the side of the highway, so this is kind of side road fishing. And it's pretty deep right here. And again, once I reach 100 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. I already have all that purchased and everything. They wouldn't let me film in the store, which is not a shocker. But again, like and subscribe. Okay guys, first cast on this little side stretch of water I've never fished before. I already see fish right there. They're little ones, but they're still fish. Whatever those little ones, there's big ones. Oh, I almost had one of those little ones get it. Eat it! Come on! Eat it! They're not wanting it. There was one big one over there. Let's go for a second cast. She's trying to catch frogs, you guys. Oh, I almost had one. Oh, that's a shit ton of crappie right there. Yeah, there's a big fat crappie right here. I'm gonna go and get my crappie niblets. I'm gonna go get some crappie niblets. If not, I'm gonna put a worm on. Well, we're on our first one, and it looks like a nice bass. Net it, babe. Net it? That's a keeper.
You want me to net the bass?
Net the bass. That's a keeper.
Oh, no.
That's a nice keeper.
Yeah, it is. That's a good one.
Man, this is probably my biggest bass all season.
Yeah, there's not much of a fucking option out in Washington. At least for me.
Well, guys, this is a pretty good sized one right here. I'd say he's a 2-pounder. Stop it. Oh yeah, guys. Nice one for this little small spot. This one's going to be an eater. I'm sorry, I know you guys probably want me to release it, but I'm seeing too many. Well, I'm going to cast right back out into that same spot. Oh, that was a good thump. At first, when that bass hit, it didn't even feel like it had hit. Yeah. Felt like I was getting snagged up on the bottom. Got on another one. Got a nice bass coming. I don't want to break the line. Oh, there he is, there he is. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's a crappie! Nope, that's a bass, actually. Oh, you almost had him. Right. Here he comes. That's another nice, decent smallie. Yeah, this one's... Oh, man! Oh, you guys seeing this? Woo! Right off a little crawdad lure. Woo, you guys see this chunk? Oh my gosh. Well, on to another one. Got a third one right here. Not as big as that second one, but bigger than the first. Man, I just found a new bass hole. God.
And all it took was us to get in the water.
Literally, I said if I wasn't going to catch any more than just that one.
I want a new pair.
Okay.
I want to do a new pair. Do we have any small littler ones?
No.
I'm almost positive.
Dude, you wanted this. Holy shit. There it goes. Yeah, guys, there you go. If you wanted to see him, there he is. Okay, guys. We're back on. This one feels like a decent one. Ooh. Oh, yeah. This one's decent. Gotta loosen up my drag. He's pulling us back downstream. Oh, man, this one's probably my biggest one today, babe.
Really?
Yeah. Listen to him.
Yeah, it's a good one. Oh, yeah.
He doesn't want to come up. There he is. Oh! 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 Oh, we're going to get this one. We got to get him. We got to. It's a must. It is a must that we get him, babe. Yes! Yes! No way! Oh, get the fuck around my legs!
Oh, yeah.
This is my PB, you guys. This is what I've been waiting for. Bring him over here.
God,
This is a 5-pounder.
don't drop them.
I'm not going to drop this beast. Yes, please. Off of a little... Oh my God, you guys! A 5-pounder. Oh, it's not 5, he's pushing 4.
We'll weigh him on the scale at home.
Oh my God, guys, I'll see you back at shore. Guys, I thought it was over, but I just got another big bass. This is the second one. Oh man, oh man, oh man! Oh man! Come to Big Papa. Woo! Just watching him splash around.
Hell yeah!
That's another 4-pounder, man. God, this hole's just filled with chunks. This is what I miss at Brownlee. Okay, this one came out pretty fucking easy. He was actually going to get off from this one. Okay, guys. Not as big as that first one that I showed you, but he is massive. Probably a good 4-pounder. Let's get him on the stringer. Woo, you guys, and I'm not even joking you. I'm literally catching them on this micro jig. Literally micro jig, you guys. Not even shitting you.
Go on.
Look at all those fish, you guys. Oh, yeah. See you back at shore. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video because I most certainly did. I caught my PB of bass with my gorgeous, lovely wife. We had a lovely float. Like, this was no joke, you guys. Like, I literally thought this was going to be literally a film and no catch, you know? But we went and we found the Hulk. Yeah, that's right, the Hulk. And then we got his wife right here. Oh yeah. Remember, like and subscribe because there's going to be a giveaway coming up soon. And if you're not around, then that's your own fault. Fish strong and live long. That's the saying.